Hi, welcome back to my channel RMK Services. First thing first, my dear fellows, I wanna share something with you guys. I'd continuously telling you, my friends, please don't drop ship from any retail websites. Whether you guys are doing any special techniques or something else, I don't care. But don't violate Amazon policies which you already know about it. There is clearly mentioned in Amazon policy that drop shipping from any retail market is prohibited. And by doing it, you will definitely get a policy violation or section 3 strike, which means account suspension. And this has happened yesterday with my friend. He called me and being very depressed and upset. He told me I was doing drop shipping from Walmart and Etsy and I was generating quite good revenue, but I don't know what happened. Amazon suspended my account and he said please do something. So I said okay, I'll review it. So when I go through each and everything, there's clearly written he got intellectual property complaints on different products. After go through each and everything, I had to prepare an appeal regarding its account. So I had prepared an appeal which I'll be submitting in front of you guys, and I'll show you the appeal at the end of the video if you guys can stick to the video and watch it completely. So let's get started. As you guys can see, there is a account deactivation alert. So you will click the red bar here, which means reactivate your account, and it will lead you. So when I click on it, it will lead you to account health page. So there you will see all violation tabs or sections and complaints. So what is account health score? The account health score is based on several things like product authenticity, customer reviews, on time delivery, product violation, policy strike, etc. Algorithms will continuously monitoring each and every account and given a score from 0 to 1000. If your score is decreased from 200 or 195, 80% chances that you will receive section 3 violation or account health suspension. So now I will click on submit new information. Here I'll submit new information because he already submitted an appeal before telling me, so there I have to submit new information. So just click on it. So after clicking on it, it will lead you to this page. Here you can upload appeal that represent the violation and what action do you take. And at last, you guys should know that you should provide supporting documents or screenshots if necessary. Then just hit submit and the appeal will be submitted. So now I will browse my appeal there. Don't worry, I will drop down in the description box. So I will paste the appeal here, and so I should correct it. And then supporting document, you must give them supporting documents. Either you have any violation strike or anything else that you have integrated with your products, or any sort of document that you want to give them. So please give them authentic document that you have. So I had to just pick them up and drag and drop them. Here I have 4 files, and there you go. We have to just submit all these things, and yeah, we received your submission, and after 24 hours they will give me my response against my appeal. And one last thing, you guys should keep in mind to make changes according to your violation to your appeal. Don't upload as it is that I had uploaded. Okay, and by the way, I will give you an appeal letter in description box. If you guys have any questions or queries regarding this video, so drop it in comment section. I will definitely follow up. Thank you very much.